In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB not showing on your Windows. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we have to make a right click at the start button, and here we have to select device manager. Once the device manager window is open, you just need to simply locate universal serial bus controllers. Click on this arrow to expand. Now here you have to connect your USB. So if you connect your USB, you will find the USB mass storage device. So once you find the USB mass storage device, you just need to simply click on that. So let's say, for example, this is the USB mass storage device. Make a right click, select uninstall device, and click on the uninstall button. Do not worry if you're going to uninstall it. So once you have uninstalled it, close everything, and then make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. After restarting, that will automatically reinstall the driver into your Windows, and that will fix the issue for you. And then again, make a right click at the start button, select device manager. Now here you have to again simply locate universal serial bus controllers, then locate USB mass storage device. So if you connected your device or your USB, you'll find that. Make a right click, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Here you have to simply click on next. Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this, and you just have to restart again your Windows once. Then right click at the start button. Here you have to select terminal admin, and we are going to run a command. So simply follow me. The command is msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostics. Okay, msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostics, hit enter. So in my case, this is not enabled, but in your case, that will fix the issue for you. So you just need to simply run this command. Do not worry, this will be posted in the description section of this video. And after that, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.